Greetings to you, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Shexa's YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, and thereafter you can watch videos that I upload, new videos, especially new videos that I upload on this channel. Um, Please like if you are a returning viewer. If you are new and you expect to get good content, just like. So what I'm going to do today, on the previous video we have repaired these headphones, and today what we want to do is we want to enclose this connection. So I've taken a Zuko ticket, it's a Zuko ticket that I have here, and I want to cover this part. So I've connected this glue gun to the power. So I am going to tie this part here, so that it won't face and it's not vulnerable to any disconnection threads. So I'm going to leave the part like this. This is where my microphone is. So I'm going to leave that part, and I'm going to tie that. If I can check here, you can see that the glue is now being dispensed out. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm pressing here and getting the glue. Make sure that my finger is wet, and then I shape on the glue to make sure that it gives me a proper shape that I want to see, or a shape that I think is proper, and it's going to dry. I can apply more glue. What is happening? It's sticking up. So I have to pull that out. I can use a spring like this to push the glue stick. You can see if I push the stick like this. It's fragile, but I'm sure that once the glue dries up, we have something that is highly protected from this kind of danger. much as we wish and let it dry on its own. Sticking it then it pushes all the glue at once. Alright, so I'll just let this glue dry up and then cover some areas that I think it's not covering. So this is it. I'll let it dry up, and then I think here I need some more glue here. Here I think I need a little more. Alright, so I have something like this. Leave it for a few minutes so that it dries up. The other part is dry. So we can do this while playing some music. So I think by now it must be dry. It's not yet, but it's almost dry. And it's a bit smart, although I used white paper instead of something close to red or something red. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for being here with me. Please make sure that you work on something that you do not care about. And this is the bottom of my drawer. I can flip it and then nobody knows what is behind it or what is underneath. So that's it for today. Enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.